guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, we are in my living room today, and that is mainly because I needed to film a video, but we have a new family member in our household, and that is Wardell. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would have already seen that he's been here and he's currently napping, but I didn't want to leave him, so here we are. If you guys are new here and you guys like beauty and lifestyle videos, if you're not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future uploads, as well as follow me on Instagram. I'm totally blanking if I already mentioned what this video is, but as you can tell from the title, we are doing an Ulta haul today, which I find is super exciting because, like I said in my 2021 goals video, is I wanted to try and review more makeup for my channel this year. So I made a haul of some new products that I wanted to try, and also a bunch of things that TikTok made me buy. Let me start with this. I actually didn't buy this off of Ulta. I bought this off Amazon because it was a little cheaper on Amazon. I don't know why I wanted to buy this, but it's a half inch curling wand, and I've seen on TikTok and I've seen some other people who just do their whole head and it's super curly. And right now, since my hair is so long, I wanted to try it so that, you know, my hair's not like up to here, but I wanted to try it and see what it would look like on my hair. So let me know if you guys want to see this in a video. Otherwise, you'll see it on TikTok. Let's get into the Ulta haul. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to try was the Maybelline Master Precise 24-Hour Matte Liquid Liner. I think this is new, but I just wanted to try this out because I don't really wear liquid liner anymore, and I kind of forgot what I look like with it on. So I wanted to try this, and I think this was actually a TikTok of this girl who was like, who does her liner, like winged liner and liner all in one swoop. So I wanted to try this, but yeah, maybe you'll see me wearing liner again, maybe not. I also got this NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. So I got brunette. I got the Benefit one with like the 3 little prongs, and that one was okay. I don't feel like it was super dark, so I wanted to try something, and hopefully this one will be a little bit more pigmented and with a little bit more color. Next, I got the Maybelline Sky High mascara that I've been seeing everybody try out. One, I just like the brush. I like the plastic brush because that really helps comb out my stick straight short lashes. So I saw a TikTok of this one girl and they made them look so long, and I know it won't look like that on me because my lashes are super short, but I wanted to see if this was still a good mascara. And then I ran out of my Sunday Riley oil, and I don't know if I'm going to repurchase it or not, but I did want to do some sort of oil at night so I can use my gua sha on it. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, I'm so sorry, but I wanted to try the Ordinary Virgin Marula oil, so I'm going to try this out at night and incorporating this into my nighttime skincare routine. Also saw this because of TikTok. It's the NYX Marshmallow Primer, which this one was pretty pricey for a NYX primer, but I think this one is supposed to help just with hydration and help smoothing out the skin. So I will try it out, let you know. Also, I will be trying all of these products on my TikTok and do updates on my Instagram, but if you guys want to see any particular product first on YouTube, comment that products down below so I can do those ones first. Next, I really wanted to try this because day to day, if I do wear makeup, I like to either set my liquid foundation or just wear powder by itself. And you all know how much I love my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Powder, but this one is new, and it's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Powder. And I believe this color is way too dark for me because, you know, your girl hasn't seen the sun in over a year. I got the color 220 Sand, so we'll try to make it work, but I really wanted to try this because I think it's full coverage, matte, and waterproof. So wanted to try that. Next, I have been loving skin-like foundation, super light, so I wanted to try out the Morphe Hint Skin Tint. It's in the color Hint of Almond, I think is what it is. But it just looks like this. I hope it's my right shade. It just has a dropper and it's super, super lightweight, so good for day to day. So we'll try this out and see how that goes. The next thing is kind of random. I just have never tried anything KKW and I've heard a lot of good things about her lipsticks. I also wanted to try her lip liners as well, but they've been sold out on Ulta for like every time that I check. So I got the lipstick in Nude 4, which the packaging is so cute, but it's just like a darker nude lip color. So I'm excited to try this one out. And lastly, I got a bunch of e.l.f. products just because they have a bunch of new stuff coming out. And I think I want to do a full face of e.l.f. cosmetics. So let me know if you guys want to see that. But I got the Ride or Die lip balm in Tough Cookie, which is just a lip balm with a little bit of color in it. And this one is more of a nude color. I got 2 of their bite-sized eyeshadows. These are only $3. And I got Pumpkin Pie and Carnival Candy. So I wanted to do a tutorial with these shadows. I also got the Hydrating Camo Concealer. I have the regular camo concealer and it wasn't my favorite, but I've heard better things about the Hydrating Camo Concealer. So got this one to try out and maybe I'll do a comparison video of the original one versus the hydrating one. And also the original one was way too light for me, so that's why I've also never used it. But I got the color Medium Peach in this one. Next, I got the Putty Blush in Turks and Caicos, which was more of their corally pink color. Now, I'm not a cream blush girl at all. I don't remember the last time I even attempted to use a cream blush. So we're gonna play with this and see how we like it, but I did hear good things about this one. I also like their putty primer, so hopefully this one will be nice on the skin. And then lastly, this is kind of like the whole reason why I made a order on Ulta, was because I've been dying to try the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I've heard this is a good dupe for the It Cosmetics CC Cream, which I've never tried, but I've heard good things about that. I've heard that this has really good coverage. I got the shade Light 210N. It's hard to color match to yourself online, so we'll see if this is too light. It might be a little bit too light. I don't know. Hopefully this works. We'll try it out. I think I might do a video on this one first just because I've been dying to try this. But please comment down below what you would like to see first so I can film that for you guys and do a review and a test wear and all of that good stuff. I'm super excited to try all this new makeup. And also comment down below if you guys have heard or see new makeup that you want me to test out. Comment that down below so I can pick that up and try it out for you guys. Thank you guys so much as always for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can be notified of my future uploads, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!